Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WordPress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened WordPress.com, right? And then if we want to create WordPress, we need to create an account here. I'm just going to click on get started. I'm just going to click on Google account. Okay, still loading guys. Okay, and for the domains, I'm just going to add, for example, like this. I'm going to use the free domain. I'm just going to choose this one, guys, which is free. So I'm going to click on select and then click on continue. Okay, I'm just going to click on start with free. Okay, and I'm just going to skip that. All right. Okay guys, and for the theme, I'm going to choose, for example, block, and I'm going to apply. Let's try this one. Okay, wait guys, it's loading. And I'm going to click on continue. And actually the WordPress has been created guys because I have Google account and I use it to create account here in WordPress. Okay guys, and this is the preview, and I'm going to click on launch your site. Okay, now it's done guys, and the WordPress has been created now. Okay, and that's all the way to create a WordPress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.